Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to install the new Runbacks app for Windows 11. So as you can see here on your screen, my default Windows 11 Run app, but if you want to try to install a new and better Runbacks app right there, so all you need to do is try to go to Microsoft Store. Now go to the search box at the top, and then all you need to do is try to search right here, run by Firecube. So click this one. As you can see, run by Firecube. It is not actually from Microsoft, but it's from Firecube Studios right here. So all you need to do is just to click this get button. Now, once you've done installing this app right here, so tap or click this open button, and then you'll go to the setup. So you just click on this arrow at the right side of your screen. So just find the some settings or features here on Run App. So if you click this button here, an arrow button, you'll find customize settings and some other features here like this info and enable AI processing. So let's try to open this run up right here. As you can see, it is on a dark mode. So that's how it is good or better than the default on Windows 11. So first, let's go to the settings, the gear icon right here, and let's try to set up the keyboard. So you need to toggle on this one so you can run the shortcut of Win plus R. So let's try this one. So let's tap on Win plus R. It will open up your run by Firecube. So let's take a look at the settings. So right here, it is run by OpenAI. So it has a capabilities of ChatGPT 3.5. And as you can see here at the bottom, you'll find some personalization options where you find remaining background, keyboard, or you can actually set up show running tray right here and close after command. Here on information, you can contact the developer or submit bugs or track updates right here. Then if you want to try to type right here, for example, I want to type msconfig. Okay, so let's write here msconfig and then tap on search or run, and then it will automatically open the system configuration. So that's how you basically use this Runbox app for Windows 11. Then if you click this drop down menu, you'll find your history, search history actually. And then if you click this arrow right here on run, you'll find, or you can click this run as administrator. So that's how you can use this new Runbacks app for Windows 11. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.